Hello, I'm Paula Alonso. I'm Associate Professor of History and International Affairs at the George Washington University and a visiting fellow at the Kellogg Institute for the spring semester 2021. I'm a historian of Latin America with a particular focus on Argentina, and I place my work at the intersection between history of ideas and political practices. I am currently writing a book on the history of democracy in Argentina between the 1840s and the 1940s. And the book will also have regional and transatlantic dimensions. I started in the 1840s because that is when the concept began to be more frequently used in the public debates. And I finished in the 1940s because it was a moment in which the concept was being significantly redefined and very hotly contested between different political factions. In my work, I don't try to define what democracy is or it should be. This is also not a history of how the concept evolved over time. What I try to do is to highlight how the concept was being defined and redefined by different political actors at particular circumstances for particular reasons. In a way, how the concept was used to address contemporary concerns. I think the project has relevance in a series of arenas. When we think about general histories of democracy, Latin America is generally absent from those general global histories. I think the project will help to highlight that Latin American countries were important contributors in conversations of democracy throughout the region and also across the Atlantic. I think the project also has relevance in today's discussions of democracy. I think we see how democracy is really not a given. It's not necessarily even a set of rules, but it's a concept whose significance and value changes over time. So I'm very interested in understanding the factors behind those changes. At the Kellogg, I will write chapters of this book and hopefully also finish an article for publication. Thank you.